Migrating a website to Hostinger is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can migrate your website to the Hostinger hosting. So suppose if you have created an website and you're running it, and now you want to shift the hosting to the Hostinger. So the process is pretty basic. You need to come to this page, which is support.hostinger.com, and or you can simply search for how can I migrate my website to Hostinger. You will be able to see all the steps. So for that, you need to have a good website. You need to have your website with two-factor authentication, and after that, you just need to go to the Hostinger, and you have to go to domains. And in the domains, you just need to find a new domain or create new domain, and you just need to host a new domain. While hosting a new domain, you need to pay some amount. After paying that amount, you will be able to see a button, something like that, which is create or migrate a website. So you just have to click on that, and you will be able to migrate a website from any other hosting. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can migrate your website to Hostinger. Hope you guys find this video helpful.